This tutorial shows how to download Windows 10 64-bit ISO from Microsoft with Media Creation tool. Click Download tool now to start downloading Media Creation tool. Double-click to run downloaded executable file. Read Microsoft license terms and click Accept to continue. Under What do you want to do? Select Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file, for another PC and click Next. Select appropriate language, edition, and architecture. In this case I'm leaving default selected options. Then click Next to continue. Under Choose which media to use, click ISO file. Choose location for saving downloaded Windows 10 ISO file and click Save. Download process starts immediately and you can view percentage of the download progress on the Download Setup wizard. After download finishes, verification of downloaded ISO file begins. Wait for creation of Windows 10 media to finish. When everything is done, click on the path to check or view the downloaded ISO file. Finally, click Finish to close Windows 10 Setup dialog box. Wait for setup to clean up before it closes. Now you have downloaded Windows 10 64-bit from Microsoft Download Center.